Choosing the right photo control receptacle for outdoor lighting can be confusing. With different types like NEMA, Zhaga, and custom models, it's easy to get overwhelmed. Each type serves a different purpose. Some are for simple on-off control, others support smart features or wireless systems. That's why LongJoin offers a full range of Photocell sensors to suit every lighting need. The standardized plug-and-play design that allows the street light controllers to be easily attached or detached. These products are suitable for both traditional and advanced lighting systems. 3-pin. This type is best for simple on-off control. It's used in low-budget projects where advanced functions aren't needed. The 3-pin setup includes line, load, and neutral. 5-pin. This model supports dimming control. It adds two pins for a 0 to 10 volts dimming interface. 7-pin. This version is made for smart lighting systems. It adds two more pins for data and control signals. It supports protocols like DALI or wireless communication. Key features. Zhaga LED street light Photocell follow the Book 18V2.0 standard. They are compact, low profile, and made for modern LED luminaires. The tool-less interface allows quick and secure installation. No twisting or complex locking is needed. Just 700. This is a practical choice for basic on-off and dimming needs. It's best used in standard LED streetlight installations or public park lighting. Its slim, plug-and-play design helps reduce installation time. JL71-B2A2 JL7-1A series. If your project demands wireless communication, these products are more suitable. Choose it when connectivity and remote access are a must. Customized outdoor Photocell light sensors are designed for unique, high-demand environments. These include high-voltage systems, storm-prone regions, or smart lighting networks. Choosing the right customized photo sensor starts with the environment. For high-power areas like factories or highways, go with a high-voltage model. These can handle inputs up to 480 volts without failure. If your installation site faces frequent lightning or voltage surges, choose a surge-protected Photocell. Need remote control or IoT compatibility? Then, wireless Photocells are the answer. LongJoin offers a full range of Photocells to meet diverse outdoor lighting needs. From basic control to smart city integration, there's a solution for every project. For reliable sourcing and expert support, Kaisware is a trusted partner for LongJoin Photocells.